Giuseppe Giusti balsamic vinegar and Alice restaurant in Milan present award-winning Italian chef Viviana Varese. Universo. I'm Viviana Varese. I'll present today a prize-winning dessert recipe called Universo, a dessert which reaches into the soul. To prepare this dessert, you need a lot of patience, but the result is a miracle. Chocolate mousse. For the chocolate mousse, we have already prepared whipped cream. We'll take some more fresh cream and put it into a boil on a slow flame. We'll then put our chocolate into a mixer. When the cream is boiled, we'll pour it onto our chocolate and blend. The ganache is ready. Now, add whipped cream, a bit at a time, to the ganache. At the beginning, add the whipped cream slowly, mixing from the bottom to the top. Then add all of the whipped cream. We'll put all of the mousse into a piping bag, leaving it to rest for half an hour in the refrigerator. Liqueur filling. We'll now prepare our liqueur filling, liqueur concerto, a liqueur made from herbs and barley originating from the Amalfi Coast. Mix the sugar, agar-agar, licorice powder, and leave it to boil for at least 20 minutes. Agar-agar is a vegetable algae which is a jellifier. If you don't have agar-agar, you can use fish paste. Take a tray of sphere-shaped baking molds. When chilled, the sauce will become a gelatin. Pour into our shapes a small quantity of liqueur and then leave it in the freezer. Saffron sauce. Put the milk and saffron, which you can use in powder or pistils, and bring to a slow boil. In the meantime, crack your eggs. Separate the yolk and the egg white. Mix the yolks without allowing too much air to enter, and blend with the sugar until the sugar dissolves. We'll then add the milk slowly into the egg mixture without creating temperature shock. Pour all into the saucepan and mix well. We'll then put it back on the heat until it arrives to 83 degrees centigrade. The temperature can be taken with a digital thermometer, which can be found in dedicated cooking shops. After 5 or 6 minutes, the cream will have arrived to 83 degrees centigrade. Turn off the heat and leave to cool. Adding the filling. Take our mousse, which has been in the refrigerator for half an hour. Half fill the oval baking molds and add the gelatin. This will be the heart of the dessert. Cover with the remaining mousse. Now we will level out the universes and put into the freezer for at least 3 hours. Chocolate coating. We made some plain oval-shaped biscuits in the same shape as the Universo. We'll put them on a baking tray and place our Universo, which have completely cooled, onto the biscuits. We'll then cover them with a glaze of chocolate, which is already prepared and is available commercially. Prepare a section of baking paper to place the chocolate-coated Universo, and we'll place them in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. Decoration and final presentation. Now we will start to decorate our Universo with some silver powder and silver leaves. Edible silver leaves can be purchased from fine pastry shops. First, put a base of saffron cream on our plate. Then add our Universo, then pistils of saffron, which will give both a perfume and a color note to the dish. And next, we move to balsamic vinegar. For this recipe, I chose Giusti Gold Label Balsamic Vinegar of Modena for its particular density and sweetness. It is ideal for this dessert. Mix some vinegar and oil, and then fill a little pump with the mixture. Sugar-blown straws are a very impressive elaboration performed only by the very best pastry chefs. With a pump or a regular syringe, fill the sugar-blown straw with the vinegar and oil mixture. This dessert has both balsamic vinegar and saffron as principal ingredients. The balsamic vinegar will be important to give an acidic note to the dessert. Our dessert is ready. Ingredients for 12 people. For the chocolate mousse, 10.5 ounces fresh cream, 17.5 ounces 64% cocoa chocolate, 14 ounces of whipped cream. For the saffron cream sauce, 12.3 ounces of fresh milk, 4 egg yolks, 2.5 ounces sugar, 1 pinch of saffron. For the liqueur filling, 10.5 ounces liqueur concerto, 4 grams powdered licorice, 1 pinch agar-agar, 3.5 ounces sugar. Other ingredients, 3.5 ounces puff pastry, silver powder, silver leaves, 12 sugar-blown straws, Giusti Gold Label Balsamic Vinegar of Modena, chocolate glaze, extra virgin olive oil. Visit the site www.giusti.it or click here to see the other video recipes by Viviana Varese.